So as part of a mini ITX computer build I'm going to be working on, I purchased the Gigabyte 4060 Ti. This is the Eagle 8G. So this has 8GB of GDDR6 memory. However, you can also get the 4060 Ti, or is it Ti? I don't even think NVIDIA know. Anyway, you can also get it with 16GB instead. But obviously you are going to be paying extra for that, and for my purposes, 8GB is going to be more than adequate. And here I have the card up close and personal for you. For a Tryptophan card, I was actually expecting it to be quite a bit larger than it is. So yeah, nice pleasant surprise for me there. As I say, this is going in a mini ITX build. So it is using 128-bit PCI Express 4.0, so you can expect up to 18 gigabits per second speeds there, depending of course on your compatible system. We do have a backplate, although this is plastic, and on the top you can see we have the power connector, there it is, and it is just a traditional 8-pin connector, so it will not be using the high power 12-volt PSU cable. In terms of cooling, obviously we have the 3 intake fans here, and then it will of course put the cool air all over the heatsink, and we have room for exhaust on the back as well. And in terms of connections, you are going to be getting 2 display 1.4A ports and 2 HDMI 2.1 A ports, so you'll be able to use those for blisteringly high refresh rates. As an NVIDIA 4060 Ti card, you can expect all the usual support here for advanced ray tracing and DLSS 3.0 as well. So no, it's not a 4090, but that doesn't mean it's not going to handle the latest games at 4K resolution, especially with that DLSS technology enabled, with some pretty nifty frame rates going for it as well. And this is also going to give you a nice performance boost over the original 4060. So folks, there we have it, the Gigabyte 4060 Ti Eagle GPU. I'm excited to get this into my build, just waiting for the CPU to turn up. Come on AMD, what's happening with those Ryzen 9000s? And once I've got that build going, I'll bring that to you as well, along with the benchmarks. So thank you for stopping by. I'll catch you next time.